I urge you, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, members of my cabinet, to go forth and from this day focus on delivery and dedicate your time and effort to the implementation of the various strategies, programs, and projects that the nation's transformation demand. I encourage you to make the people of Kenya your first and only priority, and to never let your own interests come in the way of your duties. I give you my assurance of my full support in discharging your mandate and in executing a reimagined and catalyzed transformation agenda. I have already given my undertaking to be the foremost steward of public resources and embrace my accountability for its proper use. Therefore, it is important to make it clear that my support for you ends if it conflicts with my accountability to the people of Kenya. Let us therefore work together in doing the right thing, and we collectively will be assured of success. I pray that the Almighty God grants you strength, wisdom, clarity, and focus as you assume office, and wish you success in your new assignment. I ask citizens of our great nation to give a chance to these great men and women, to this new cabinet, and to support them to deliver on the mandate that has been given to them constitutionally, and as they perform their duties in the best interest of our country. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless our great country, Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Let us all rise for the national anthem.